this video, we move to chapter 7 after we deal with Excel completely. Now we move to the second module of Microsoft Office is Word. Word is code is our play or work with our document. So if you compare with Excel, Excel we have normally 3 hierarchy. So top level is the workbook. And then within workbook, you have several the worksheet. Within worksheet, you have rows, columns, and the cell. And mapping that roughly to Word, the top level of Word is the document. We call it if one document. And within the document, every part, the page is not our the layer, but within the Word, everything you can treat it as a paragraph. So that's why we will, after work with the document completely, then we will work with a paragraph. And then within the paragraph is the word or the characters or every element, and a paragraph can also host an image, table. So those are the similar you can map into the 3 hierarchy layer like Excel. Similarly to the PowerPoint. PowerPoint, you have one PowerPoint file, then you have a section, and within section you have page, and within page you have the components. So you can imagine this when we have our clear hierarchy view, you can use those hierarchy concept into the Python's programming, because you are dealing with them in this structured way. So let's start from today's. If you look at the mind map, we have 11 chapters, subchapter under Word. The starting from introduced library we will use within Python called Python-DOCX. So from the naming, you can guess clearly is this library will be compatible with DOCX. So possible is not, and it's true, it's not compatible with the doc, the old version of the Word. That's similar to what we have used, the OpenPy XL in Excel. So they can work with the XLSX, the latest Excel extension, but not work with XLS. So we will try how to open and save today. And no doubt is you may have chance to work with some old version of the Word documents. So we will discuss how you can convert doc to DOCX. And then we talk about the paragraph and the paragraphs objects, and then the element inside the Word documents. So let's start from the first chapter. So this chapter is easy. So we will ensure so we have our Python's library to install. So from now on is we will work on this chapter 7. So, but first of all, just use this pip install Python docx. If you don't install that before, so you will get that. Oh, so I have a typo, th. So I already have that installed. So let's see. So what's the pip phrase to list down? Is a py Python here. I installed this 101 version. So if you don't have that, is try use this pip first. Then we move to the 7.2. So let's create this one. So 7-2 open save docx. So first one is just the new create documents. So let's make this. Oh, not this one. So we will have here. Then I create our 721 new create docx.py. So ensure you have this extension. So what we will do is, if you want to create our document, is very easy, but we will try starting to load our library. So DOCX, we put that from document. So document is installed by this Python -docx. Then we instance that is a document. So remember, for the Excel, we from the OpenPy Excel, we import the workbook, also starting from capital W, and then we have our WB equal to the workbook without any the arguments. So with this way, you are initialize our documents. So here you don't have anything here, but for what I want to see is let's see. So save with our this test.x. So let's see what's happened. Is let's back to here. So I think it's so I suppose I need to find that here. Oh yeah, indeed. So let me move this to my current folder. So I cannot open this by default. Let's try to see whether we have Word Viewer, Office Viewer. Which one may be better? DOCX rendering extension provider read-only render for doc using npm doc preview. Let's use this one. Doc renderer. Okay, it's finished. Let me see whether it can open or not. Yeah, I think it's opened. Let's add something inside. So let's open this. Oh, I have the WPS, but let's change this to Word. Always first. So these are empty. So let's add some hello world. So save and just verify is our preview. Oh, not work. Nothing here. So let me double check. Test is indeed has something here. So let's change that to this and make sure. But this is not important. Looks like this extension doesn't show the word. So let's install this Office Viewer. So Office Modern or Classic. Oh. Let's back to the Classic and let's this open. And then I click this configure default, multiple default available. Configure, let's use this one. Okay, now this you can see this can be opened. So this doc render has some limitation. Let me reload this and uninstall that. So now at least we can see this is our valid the Word document. So through this, and we can also use doc save with a full path. But this one we will try the multiple lines altogether to make sure is we understand how to deal with the path. So 722 save DOCX. So already in 721 we did that already. So but let's deal with the OS and from DOCX import document and let's read work path equal to os get cwd, and let's print work path. Let's done this. So here, so print work path get cwd. So what's the name? Work path is not defined, but it's here. It's defined. So let me print this again. Okay. Because it's I think it's again is I save too fast or try to run too fast, and it's not actually saved this file. So just wait some more seconds. Primarily is save solve the issue. So working path is this almost the root path. So let's go to our current path. So it's part 2. And then chapter 03, and our path is now is 7-2. So that is there is we have our part. Now let's run this. You can see our working path is current, the complete path. So this is fine. Then we go to our complete path. Then we put this file name is equal to test.docx. So we have our test.docx here already, and we combine, make the target dir. So directory is the path plus our the file name. So path, we put this path join. Use this one because this path join can give you the backslash. So work path dir name. So where is the, oh, I missed this dir name. Oh, we don't have this directory. So we can, or if we have our separate dir, we can make this path. Let's make our testing. So under here, so let's create our dir. So dir is Word files. So we have our dir, and we move our test doc inside that. Then we can try this path join method. Dir name equal to dot word files, and then first we print our target dir. So let's run this. So wait some seconds. So here is print. So you can see our dir name is open save doc. It's a dir name target. It doesn't oh here, but they get this dot backslash. So in I think is we should remove those dot slash. So now these are the correct the dir name, and then we have this file name. So let's continue. So if not, we have our the error handling. So if this dir is not exists, target dir, we will make dirs in the target dir, and then after this we will print target dir. So if we do a test, is we put this -2 _2 is not exist now. So but our current working path is still the 7-2. So let's see here, run. So it's get this Word file _2. So they create another file because this target dir is not existed. So that is the, if I do this way, so it will not create a file because our Word underscore file is already there. So through this, we have our target DR created. Then we can start to make the full path. Full path is also use the path drawing. So the path drawing can automatically add this backslash. So this dot and the slash is we should try to prevent. You can test from your own path your PC as well. So dir name and then file name. Then let's print our full path. So full path now has this test doc. So that is the doc. Then we have is doc equal to document and doc save full path. So if I put this test1, so I will save our new doc as test1 under Word file. So if I put this underscore 3, so I will create another folder and with our test1. So that is the way is you can use this working paths. You can sit on your work path and you can create a subfolder. You can create a new file. So those are the way you can make our document safe. So actually, as author mentioned, is the exact the command is only the last line, but we used all those upper lines with the import OS to try to demo to you how you can control the path, directory, and the file, and you can put them together using this very useful the property os.path.exists to check whether the path is exist, and then all use os path join to combine the path, directory, and the file. So that is the 722. So let's quickly go to the 723 to see our open. So make our file is 723 open docx.py. So our this Word test has some documents. So let's move this to outside. Oh, so here, and then what we will need to do is we import our docx from this import document and make document equal to doc equal to our path. So I have our test docx. And the print type doc. So let's see here. So doc is docx.document.document. So how we make our this open is just using this one line. We also can use this second word the ways through our open, make that as our object with open this with read and the R and B, and we as our the object, then we can use this doc equal to document F. So these are the return the value from this open command. But we will not put that here because it's not the difference to this 723. So open doc. Okay, for the following days is after we have know how we can create a new, save our old existing document, and open our existing document. You can use this the directory way to make combine from path director, directory, and the file name using the import OS, the library. And so this is the first video for working with Word. I hope you can try to ensure your Python-DOCX is installed properly, and then try this open and save. Then next video we will first talk about the different versions extension converting. Then we will move to the paragraphs handling. Thank you for watching. See you then.